everybody, Michael here, and today we're going to showcase to you how you can be your own market maker on your token or anybody else's token. It's quite simple, and we're going to dive into it here with the Smithii tools. Let's dive in. Very cool tool to use. It's called the Market Maker bot. So here we also have a very important explanation. The cost of running the bot is 0.025 SOL per 100 market makers. Once you run the bot, it will start boosting the token you selected. Now, there are three methods of doing this. You either can have boost token. This option boosts the market maker's volume of your token in an organic way. Then you have target price and bumps, where the bot will trade the token organically, it's bigger, until you reach a certain target price. And then you have the advanced bot, which is a lot of more cool stuff. If you know what you're doing, you can use it. But for the sake of this show, we're going to use boost the token. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our main token. We're going to take the M class token. We're going to put in here the token which is out there. And we're going to have here, let's keep it to 100 market makers. And let's keep, how much volume do you want to generate? I'm going to want to generate, let's be there. How much SOL you want to spend? So estimated total fees as we have it written down there. Very important to know is that it's just going to have those fees there. You can, if you lower the amount of market makers that you want to have. So like, let's say we want to go with 70 market makers. We can even just do it like with 20 market makers. That goes for 5 minutes. What if you want per minute? You mean like you want the market makers per minute? Then you have to go to the advanced bot, and then you can start tweaking around with that. You have the delays there in the maximum amount, so you can actually work around that in more detail. So like for instance here, number of makers, delay between buying transactions, and so on. These are minutes. So you can also play around with that. But because it's quite a lot, you can have auto sell here, return to wallet, sell strategy. That's how it could work as well. So once we do go back to it, we're now going to launch our market maker that we want to generate. So how much we want to generate, how much SOL do we want to spend? Let's just put in here, because we're feeling thrifty, we're going to put in here a 2.75. I am going to get 10 transactions per minute or second even. What's the max? The max can actually be adjusted itself there. All right, now we're going to play with the bot around. We're just going to showcase this to you, how it looks and works. Success, board started successfully, yay. So now we will see in that time, we will actually go and see how it works. Now we're going to also go on the middle one, where we're going to put a target price bump as well, and we are going to do the following. So we want to bump the target up by how much? Let's say 10%. Let's give it a shot. How much SOL do you want to spend? You want to spend, let's put in there 0.2. How much market makers you want to generate, and how much minutes you want the bot to run. So let's put there 5 minutes. Let's also do it again. There we go. We have now also started the second bot. Yes, now we are done there. We have now 2 of our bots running, and they'll be running simultaneously. Soon enough, you'll actually see them working there. So that's actually how the bot works. You can actually just see them here also starting up, and it's going to be working with the 97. You can then stop it, you can refresh it. This is the target price bump. Then the boost token one is also starting up now here. And you can also then check it out, its history. So it's all, there we go, starting maker 1. It's just working like that. So once we do have all of these things, you are basically good to go. Also, I do want you to know that with all of this information you have here, you are powered up and ready to go for your 1 million market maker coin. Now, very important for you guys to know, this has been an educational video to showcase to you guys how all of this works, how we create a token, how we run it from start to finish, how to use all the tools from airdropping to market making to snapshots to further things. As well, we've run through all the basics that you need now to create your own meme coins, and I really wish you guys luck and a lot of fun. So thank you again for tuning in today's webinar. It has been fun, educating, and really hope you guys had a fun time, and we'll be seeing you guys later.